Anemia in children: causes, symptoms, and treatments. According to reports published by the World Health Organization (WHO), anemia is an extremely common ailment diagnosed in children over the past few years. Each year, around 21% of children have been diagnosed with symptoms of anemia at some point and have become one of the main reasons for children to rush to medical care. Anemia can be a common occurrence. However, it can be effectively cured too with proper medication and treatment if the ailment is diagnosed in its preliminary stages. Curious to know more about the ailment and how you can prevent your child from getting affected by it? Keep watching the video till the end then, as we share all the details of the disease, including its possible symptoms and effective treatments too. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. What is anemia? Anemia is a condition that is caused when the blood does not have enough healthy red blood cells in it, and it leads to disruption of oxygen supply to the different organs of the body. According to WHO, there are 5 different types of anemia that a child can be affected by, and those are: Number 1. Iron deficiency anemia. This condition arises when a child does not have enough iron in his or her blood. Iron is essential for the development of hemoglobin, and lack of iron in the bloodstream is one of the most common causes of anemia. Number 2. Megaloblastic anemia. In this condition, the red blood cells become too large for absorbing vitamin B12, which is required for making new red blood cells. This condition generally arises when the affected suffers from folic acid or vitamin B12 deficiency. An example of megaloblastic anemia is pernicious anemia. Number 3. Hemolytic anemia. In this condition, red blood cells have completely destroyed and fail to produce new healthy cells. The condition may arise due to infections or as a side effect from some medications. Number 4. Sickle cell anemia and Cooley's anemia. In both of these conditions, the affected inherit abnormally shaped red blood cells from their family. Number 5. Aplastic anemia. In this condition, the bone marrow fails to produce new blood cells. If anemia is not treated properly, it can lead to severe complications in the future too, like: Number 1. Problems with growth and development. Number 2. Pain and swelling in joints and muscles. Number 3. Failure of bone marrow. Number 4. Causing cancer, especially leukemia. Potential causes of anemia in children. Number 1. Loss of red blood cells. Number 2. Inability to produce new and healthy red blood cells in the body. Number 3. Destruction of red blood cells due to infections or as a side effect of a medicine. Number 4. Inheritance of defective red blood cells. Number 5. Lack of proper nutrients in the diet. Which children are at a higher risk of getting affected by anemia? Children of any group can be affected by anemia, but the following mentioned factors increase the risk of getting affected by anemia. Number 1. Premature or having less weight than usual at birth. Number 2. Consumption of excess cow's milk during the growing years. Number 3. Consuming a diet that lacks in the essential vitamins and minerals, especially iron. Number 4. Undergoing surgery or getting involved in an accident that caused excess blood loss. Number 5. Suffering from a long-term infection or illness, like kidney infections or liver cirrhosis. Number 6. Having a family background of anemia. Potential symptoms of anemia in children. Anemia can be controlled and cured if the disease can be diagnosed in the initial stages. However, it has been observed that in mild cases of anemia, symptoms are not easily noticeable and will only occur when the situation has deteriorated. But with the help of medical advisors, we have prepared a list of few symptoms that would help you to identify anemia if one suffers from. Number 1. Breathlessness, increased heartbeat, and trouble speaking while doing physical activities. Number 2. Getting tired easily or lacking in energy in general. Number 3. Headache, vertigo, or suffering from dizziness, especially when standing. Number 4. Frequent mood swings and irritability. Number 5. Swollen and sore tongue. Number 6. Pale skin or yellowing of skin, eyes and mouth, jaundice. Number 7. Delay in growth and development. Number 8. Enlarged spleen and liver. Number 9. Tissue healing or wound repairment taking time. Treatments to cure anemia. Upon diagnosis, treatments are essential to cure the disease completely. However, the treatments depend upon the child's age, general health, symptoms, and the type of anemia he or she is suffering from. The severity of the condition also plays a huge role in the treatment. Treatments that are typically included are: number 1, vitamin and mineral pills and drops. Number 2, changing the diet of the affected child, including a more balanced diet or iron-rich foods. Number 3, if the anemia is caused due to a medication, then stopping the medicine and providing another alternative to it. Number 4, blood transfusion or stem cell transplants. Number 5, surgery to remove the spleen, an extremely rare condition. Prevention tips. One of the possible causes of anemia is the inheritance of defective red blood cells. This condition cannot be prevented, but other types of anemia can be easily prevented by following some simple measures. Like, number 1, if possible, try to breast milk your child during the initial years, as that helps in strengthening the immune system and provides enough iron to the baby. Also, if your baby is on formula feeding, use formula that is rich in iron. Number 2, don't feed your child with excess cow's milk, as excess consumption of cow's milk prevents absorption of iron. Number 3, provide an iron-rich diet to your child in their growing years. Now there you go. Hopefully the video was able to solve all your queries regarding anemia in children. As we come to the end of the video, please do like, share and comment down below, and we promise to keep providing you with engaging and informative content in the future as well.